What caste do you belong to? Are you an OBC, SC, or an FC? How many of us face these questions on a day-to-day basis? I'd say 20%. But where I come from, the white-collar business, the Facebook generation, as I like to call it, caste doesn't seem to play such a major role. It has almost become irrelevant in our society. And post Mandal 1 and 2, caste is seen to have negative connotations. And I admit, as someone from the state of Tamil Nadu, where we don't even put the caste name next to our first names, because it is considered to have such negative connotations. I was part of this Facebook generation that thought caste was irrelevant. And what more, I attached very negative connotations to caste. Over the last 1 year though, I have seen the other side of this social evil. And I'd like to take you through this journey in the last year. How many of you know of this small town called Tirupur? It's a Tier 3 city. Nobody knows about it. It's a very small town. And it's near the city of Coimbatore. How many of you know that 56% of India's garment export comes from this small town? That 3 of you know. 56% of garment exports from India is from Tirupur. Right? And that's not even including the domestic market. That's his exports. So, I went to this city, a town, a village, a couple of years back to meet a friend. And I asked him, I was baffled because here was this small, sleepy little town, not even properly paved roads, and there were these huge factories coming out of nowhere. And I asked him, what was the reason behind the development or the kind of economic potential that there is in Tirupur? And he said, the Kaula community. The Kaula community are an OBC caste in Tamil Nadu, and they are located mostly in the Coimbatore-Tirupur region. They are such a close-knit, hard-working community that they have garnered 56% of India's garment export. And I asked him, what do you mean? Will you explain a little more? He said that they run a parallel banking system within the community. So, if I am from the community and can't access capital in the banks, I could go to the caste association or to an exporter from the same community and ask for capital. Right? If another exporter goes to Britain or US and wants to fix up some order, and there are some orders that he can't fill, he will give it to me. So with this method, with this social capital, with this tight-knit community that they have spread the wealth to other parts of the community. Right? And one of the things that you will see over and over again in these things is the theme of trust. Yesterday I spoke to Ravi. Ravi is from, as you probably know, is from the Marwari community. And I asked him, what was the reason for this closeness within the community? And he said one thing, trust. When you hire someone from within the community, you know that he will not steal from you, that he will not cheat you, mostly. Right? And when you move from one place to another, like Ravi, the Mittals did some time back, they have a ready-made grouping of people who will support them. They moved from Vijayawada to Hyderabad, and they were given support within Hyderabad. And in fact, I was told that they found that one of their closest business associates within the community in Hyderabad. All of these things in the last 1 year has made me think, made me sit down and think that maybe this community thing is not such a bad thing after all. Maybe caste has its own positive attributes to it. But what do we do? What do we do as people? people who live in a city? Do we go out and join associations that associate us with caste? Do we join the community political parties? I don't know about you, but my own feeling is that caste doesn't have to be the only community that we belong to. Right here, this community that we have, the Toastmasters community, as Ravi rightly said in the beginning, Toastmasters is not just about speaking. Toastmasters is just not about leadership or picking up roles and picking up posts. It's also a community. Let's pick up these communities, Toastmasters, Rotary, Lions, companies, CSE is a community, Devat is a community. Let's be an active part of community. Let's get the trust of our community members. And let's follow the example of the trading communities in India. By being part of these communities, we generate social capital. We provide jobs. That's the message I